Welcome to EWL. Introducing our Bactericidal UltraViolet lamp designed to work in One Air Blue Lagoon UVC Tech 4000 water disinfection units. It is designed to operate in an aqueous environment in a protective quartz sheath at temperatures between 5 and 40 degrees Celsius. This is a low-pressure, ozone-free mercury ultraviolet lamp. All lamp specifications are shown on the screen. We always stock all kinds of components: quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. The lamps are warranted for 9,000 hours, which is approximately 1 year of continuous operation. All of our lamps are securely packaged in a cardboard tube with a soft seal inside for added security. You can order this lamp and other ultraviolet equipment on our website by clicking on the link in the description.